Hi everyone, Brian Trafficanti from GardenInMinutes.com here. We had a question recently about mulching with your garden grid watering system. Basically, do you mulch above or below the garden grid? And the quick answer is you're going to mulch below it. That way your water streams can reach the center of all of your planting squares. If you're unfamiliar, mulching is the process of adding a soil insulator to your garden. So something like straw or hay or leaf mulch can be added on top of your garden soil to help regulate the temperature. So for instance, in summer when it's really hot and you want to make sure your plants don't get overheated, you can add a layer of mulch on top of your soil. That way the temperature is a little bit cooler than the air outside. Same in winter. If it's really cold outside, you want to make sure you retain some of the warmth inside your soil. Adding a layer of mulch can help do that as well. So the process of doing it is really simple. Just temporarily turn off your garden grid watering system. If you're adding something heavier like the hay or leaf mulch or straw, you can just lift up your garden grid, place your mulch underneath. And then if you're doing something lighter, say a layer of peat moss or something like that to help with water retention as well, you can just kind of sprinkle that on over your over your garden grid watering system. Lift up your garden grid and just shake off any excess that might be on it. Go back and turn on your garden grid and you're ready to go.